welcome to the tour of our room here at the Four Points by Sheraton in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. So we want to give you a quick tour of our room. We are staying here pre-cruise, and we wanted to show you guys the makeup of a king standard room here in the Four Points Sheraton. So this is the bathroom here. So once you enter, you do have your toilet, sink, they give you your soap, hand wash. It does come with bottled water, so they say here don't drink the water, so you do get a lot of bottled water. So we'll have some bottled water. Your towels and hand towels will be below, and then you also have your shower here, which is pretty nice and up to date. You have your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner there as well. All right, next we will move on to our credenza, aka our closet. So there is a ironing board, and then you have a couple of drawers there with some hangers if you need to unpack. We were here for one night, so we did not really utilize this except to, launder our fancy clothes. Then you also have a cabinet down there that's empty, ice bucket, some cups, a safe, and then extra storage there. Then you have extra storage here, your safe, ice bucket with some cups, and it does pull out, and then extra storage down here at the bottom. So next we're going to move into the actual bedroom area, and as you can see, it's very open, huge window behind me. You have a mirror here with shelving if you need to put anything here, a luggage rack, and to your immediate right, we do have a lamp side table with plugs, USB port table. You do have your Bible and your Playboy, just in case.
In the Book of Mormon.
Yes. And then your thermostat control here. So one thing we have noticed is that there's really not a heating button. There's just cooling. And I think that's just because of the climate here. There's really not a whole lot of need for heat. That is my suggestion, but you can bring just a fan, high, low, and medium if you want to control the air. So next we will go in. You do have a desk here. It does come with a coffee maker with some really good coffee. As you can see, this is the decaf. The regular coffee is in a red package. You do have your sugars, creams, teas, anything that you would need. You have a desk phone as well as a side lamp. Also, you do have QR codes. So QR codes will give you access to menus. They do have room service. It'll give you a guide, a map guide, TV guide, all that stuff. So with the QR code. Okay, so as far as the TV is concerned, a lot of the channels are in Spanish, and you can see there's a little glitch in the picture quality. So if you want to have some entertainment and Spanish is not your first language, I would highly suggest just bringing something where you can maybe watch Netflix or something like that. But it's not, unbearable. We did find some stations, but just realize there may be not a great picture quality on those stations. All right, and on this side of the bed, there is a table. You also get an alarm clock, and it has the standard plugs, and then you have two USB plugs, the lamp as well. And then there is a chair area. It's basically a reading area. It's a touch turn on, turn off lamp here. And then a little footstool, and then this beautiful view of the city. I absolutely love it, and it's getting us really excited to get ready to go on board our ship. So this was a quick tour of our room 426 in the Four Points Sheraton here in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We hope you guys enjoy. If you're ever visiting, please consider staying at this hotel. It's really nice. If you need assistance booking your next cruise, feel free to reach out to us at parkersonthego16@gmail.com, and we can help you book your next cruise adventure.
Watch this video right here.